So mainly all I want to say is that I love you. Well, if you even cared, but I'm pretty sure you knew that And even though you ain't with me, you still put a smile on my face, no matter what. It's fucked up though, I think. But hopefully that if you even still love me, that this would make you smile at least a little. I don't know. I was kind of bored and decided to make a video just to show you that I cared. But when do I know when? Like, I don't know. Even though I wish you were still with mine. I don't know what to say. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking. Okay. I love you always. You mean the fucking world to me. I bet.